How to track orders on AliExpress. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can track your order on AliExpress. You can always track your order on AliExpress to know how far or how close your order is from you. What do you do first? The first thing to do is to go to the AliExpress website and log in into your account. Then once you're logged in, navigate through to the orders page. How do you do this? By clicking on your account icon located by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the account page. On this page, by the right side, you'll see a menu with some options such as overview, orders, etc. Go ahead and click on orders. Once you click on orders, you'll be directed to the orders page. On this page, you will see the orders that you've made thus far, including the ones that you've not gotten. Okay, so just find the order you want to track and click on it. Once you click on it, you will see a list of options. Select track order button. All right, like it's select track order. Just click on track order, and then once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the tracking page, and you will find a tracking number listed under basic information. Once you see that tracking number, click on it, and from there you'll see some on-screen instruction. Follow it, and once you follow it, you'll be able to track your orders successfully. So this is how you can track your orders on AliExpress. Very simple, right? Yes. Thanks for watching.